Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Lan with GreenLanGrow, and I'm wishing you all a happy holiday season. Before Christmas, I ordered some seeds, and I'm so happy they finally arrived. Time to open it up. Wow, I really love this artwork of the Chinese pink celery. Here we go. Let's see what I've got. Wow, first is the green beauty peas. So these are a medium green snow peas, which don't grow that big, but they have purple flowered vines, which I find really cool. Can't wait to see what else we got. Wow. The next seed packet is catnip, which is perfect for a little cat, Chansey. So I'm sure he's gonna go crazy over this. But the leaf pattern is really cool. I think it looks similar to spearmint, I think. Next is the Green Doctor's tomato. I ordered this variety of cherry tomatoes. One, it's cherry so that the rats won't bite it. And two, birds won't also pick at it because it's green and they won't know if it's ripe or not. But another challenge for me is I'll have to be able to know if it's ripe or not. Next one is going to be our free seed from Baker Creek, the Yadikula lettuce. So I don't know much about this one. Over here it says it's an ancient variety that has been grown by urban farmers near modern-day Istanbul, Turkey since Byzantine times. Wow, in my world history class I learned about Byzantine Empire, so pretty interesting. Now for the next packaging. This one, bring it up. Here we have the snail vine peas. Are these peas? These are beans. Wow, look at the design. Curl up like little snails. That's so beautiful. And I love how is this purple color with the white blends in perfectly. This is beautiful. Next up is the mammoth melting sugar pea. Remember in my previous video where I showed you that huge pea, how big peas can get? I wonder if this pea can rival that. By the way, I heard this variety produces delicious pea shoots. I can't wait to stir fry it with some garlic. I bet it'll taste perfect. Mwah! I can't wait to grow all of these varieties of peas with my working sugar pod too. This one wasn't as good and wasn't very sweet last time I did it, but I'm giving it another chance. You hear me, a little piece? And of course, with my all-time favorite, the Super Sugar Snap pea. These are the best peas ever. Hopefully I can make a video on growing all of these peas. Bye for now. I'll see you next time.